Sawasdee krab, welcome to my channel. I'm Jim, and today we will make the last famous curry, Panang curry. We did red, we did green already. Basically the same ingredients. You twist a little bit, curry change. Let's check out what we need first. Like this, red, green, Panang. From Panang to red, we change only 2 things. From Panang to green, 3 things. From green to red, 5 things. Alright? Today we make Panang curry, so there are only 2 things different. The first one is very easy. Garlic. If you recall it, in red curry we put around 50 grams of fresh garlic, but in Panang only 40. Like in green curry. The last one is this powder. In red curry we put only black peppers, but in Panang 3 amigos. Remember? Coriander seeds, cumin seeds, and black peppers. Dry toasted around 2 minutes, and then you pound it, make it as a powder like this. That's it. Start cutting. Okay, we start with the famous one first. Chilies, alright? We use dry red chilies. This one you don't need to do anything first. You just soak it in water like this. Alright, just normal water, room temperature water, to make it soft for you to cut it later. And this one is spur or banana pepper. This one we don't need the seeds. So you use the scissor, right? Cut the head off and cut it in long way like this, and take the seeds out. Ooh, a lot of seeds today. All right, and then you just soak it together with the chilies around 5 minutes. Make it soft again. Next one, lemongrass. Remember, if you cut the root off, right, and then you will see the purple color, purple rings. We need only the purple part. It will be around here. Just keep cutting until no more purple. Next one, Galangal. Remember, for the curry we try to use like a mature. For the soup, young one. Alright, but if you get only young, it's okay. This one is quite hard. So just cut it small. So like this first, and then cut it small, eh? As fine as you can. Yeah, it's quite hard for this one. So make it as fine as you can. Because it's hard to smash it, it's hard to blend it. Coriander. Remember, we use only the root. I know that it's very hard for you to find, right? So you can use the stem, but skip the leaves, right? You know why already. It will make curry paste turn brown very quickly. Okay, put only the stem in. Next, Kaffir fruit. All right, we need only the skin. See? Yes. Try to avoid the white part as much as you can because it's bitter. Oh, it smells so good for this one. Alright, we need only the skin. Okay? Garlic. Slice it, make it small. Next, shallot. Cut it half first and then keep slicing it. Alright, do it all. Next, Kaffir lime skin or the leaves, right? The point is, make it small. If you have the leaves, right, you can, rip it off first and then slice it small. I'll show you later because we use the leaves to garnish. Yep. Turmeric. This one I always keep, telling you, be careful because it stains. For the girls, wear the glove or let the boys do it for you, okay? You can use the powder also, but the best is the fresh one. Alright, peel the skin off. Peel all the skin off. Try to avoid touching it, okay? For me, it should be okay. And then cut it small. You can see my fingers already, right? Ooh. But it's very good for your health. Okay. Chillies. Okay, after you drain it out, right? This one I'll show you. For the chilies, right? Just keep cutting it. For me, I use the scissors. It's much easier. This one we need the seeds because we need its spiciness. The last one, the pepper, right? Use the scissors again. Cut it small. The whole point is to make it easier for you to smash or to blend it, right? Keep slicing it. No, keep cutting. Sorry. Yes, like this. Okay, put it back. Oh, let me clean out this one first, and then put it back. That's it. Pretty easy, right? Now, we will blend and smash, alright? But we will blend only shallot and garlic because it's very soft, no need to smash it, okay? Only shallot and garlic that we will blend it and we will smash the rest. It's time to kill them all. Only shallot and garlic. You put everything in. Okay, you blend only shallot and garlic, right? See? Oh, I don't know whether you can see it or not, right? Okay, this camera. Like this, and then you scoop everything back, and then keep blending it again. Yep. Okay, let's see it. Yes, yum. Looks nice. Yes. Okay. Oops. Oh, very nice. Nice color. It looks similar to red curry, right? Very nice. Okay, this one is quite dry, all right? Cause a lot of dry ingredients, right? So, water a little bit is okay, but if you can avoid, just avoid, okay? Start cooking. Okay, warm up the oil. Use the medium. Okay, for the curry paste, right? I recommend you do half of the tablespoon first. In my class, always half a tablespoon. You can do that less half or big half is up to you. Okay? I do it big half like this. Put it in. Warm it up around 4 to 5 seconds. And then you put peanuts. Yes, we don't put peanuts in red curry and green curry, right? Warm it up around 5 or 6 seconds again. Cool. And then half of the coconut milk. Mix it well first. Bit by bit is much easier and faster. If you are allergic to peanuts, go for red and green curry, okay? This is not your thing. All right, and then the rest half. Yes. Mix it well and wait until it's fully boiled. For the coconut, I put around only 3/4 cups of coconut milk. Red curry, green curry, we put around 1 cup. Yep, and then wait. It starts boiling from the outside, right? See? Alright, cook the coconut milk first. Yes. Start bubbling from the middle. Lower down the heat and you put meat in. Today I use pork. But you can use any types of meat, okay? Chicken, beef, shrimp, lamb is up to you. And then let it cook slowly for 1 minute. You know why already. And don't stir. Water will come out from the meat and then ruin your curry, okay? Wait around 1 minute. I'll clean it up, this one first. And for Panang curry, right? Normally we don't put any veggies in except to garnish. Okay, to garnish we use kaffir lime leaves and pepper, the big one, spur or banana pepper, but the red one, all right? But for you, if you like veggies, you can put it in. Broccoli, peas, corn is up to you, but authentic style, no veggies. All right. Yes. And then just heat it up. Fish sauce, half a tablespoon. Yep, and then mix it. Mix it well. Now you can use a high heat, right? After 1 minute, and you have to keep spinning it, stirring it. Why? To make the sauce thick. Panang curry, we want to make the sauce a little bit thicker than red and green. Yes, it's thick enough for me now. Turn the gas off and then on the plate. On the plate. Yes. Beautiful. All right. And then we use red spur or banana pepper to garnish. This one's not spicy, so don't worry. You don't have to eat it. Yep. One more. Coffee lime leaves. You do it like this. Fold the leaf back to front and then take the spine out. Yes, if you got it right, you will get 4 pieces. And then put all the leaves together like a layer. Roll it tight. Oops. And then slice it. Keep slicing it. Make it as fine as you can. When it's very fine, it's very, very beautiful. Yep. Okay, it should be enough. And then you garnish. See? Ooh, give you more color. Ah, beautiful. Now you get Panang curry. Normally we have it with rice and then omelette or fried egg or a soya. Alright? It's lunchtime already, so I will have my lunch now. Thank you for watching. Guys, stay safe and wish you were here.